The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where we cook, eat, and connect. A kitchen remodel makes this space more functional and beautiful, but remodels can be costly. Don't worry, you can have a dream kitchen on a budget. The key is careful planning and smart choices. First, decide how much you can spend. This is your budget, your roadmap to success. Remember, a budget keeps you on track. It helps you prioritize and find creative solutions. Let's start planning your dream kitchen. Before you buy paint or pick countertops, measure. Knowing your kitchen's size is crucial. Measure walls, floors, and ceiling height. Note the location of doors, windows, and appliances. Accurate measurements prevent costly mistakes. They help you plan the layout and buy the right amount of materials. Now, think about your goals. What do you want to achieve with this remodel? Write down your must-haves and your wish list items. This will guide you through the entire process. You have your measurements and your wish list. Now it's time to prioritize. Separate your needs from your wants. Needs are essential for a functional kitchen. Think a working sink, a reliable stove, and safe flooring. Wants are the extras that add personality, like a fancy backsplash or designer lighting. It's okay to splurge a little on a want if it brings you joy. But always prioritize your needs first. This ensures you have a working kitchen, even on a tight budget. Remember, a well-planned kitchen balances functionality and style. Choosing materials can be overwhelming, especially with so many options. But don't worry, affordable alternatives exist for every style. For countertops, consider laminate or butcher block instead of expensive granite. Open shelving can replace costly upper cabinets, creating an airy feel. Shop around and compare prices. Look for sales and discounts. Don't be afraid to ask for a better price or consider reclaimed materials for a unique touch. Remember, creativity and research are your best friends when hunting for budget-friendly materials. One of the best ways to save money is to do it yourself. Painting walls, installing a backsplash, or even refacing cabinets are great DIY projects. Many online resources and tutorials can guide you step by step. Start with small projects to build confidence. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gear and follow instructions carefully. DIY might take longer, but the sense of accomplishment and savings are worth it. Remodel pitfalls, watch your step. Even with careful planning, things can go wrong. Avoid these common pitfalls to keep your remodel on track. First, don't underestimate the time and effort involved. Remodeling takes longer than you think, especially for do-it-yourself projects. Second, get everything in writing, from material costs to contractor agreements. This protects you if issues arise. Finally, be flexible. Unexpected problems may surface, requiring adjustments to your plan. Staying adaptable helps you navigate challenges and stay within budget. Finishing touches style on a shoestring. The hard work is done and your kitchen is almost ready. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal style. New cabinet hardware, fresh paint on the walls, and colorful textiles can transform your space without breaking the bank. Shop your home for items to repurpose or visit thrift stores for unique finds. Remember, it's the little details that make a house a home. Love your kitchen maintenance matters. Congratulations on your beautiful, budget-friendly kitchen. To keep it looking its best, establish a maintenance routine. Clean surfaces regularly, inspect grout and caulk for damage, and address any issues promptly. Proper maintenance prevents bigger problems down the road, saving you time and money. Enjoy your new kitchen, knowing you achieved your dream within budget. Budget kitchen. Success. Inspiration awaits. Don't be afraid to embark on your budget kitchen remodel. Many have successfully transformed their kitchens without spending a fortune. Look online for inspiration, browse magazines, and visit home improvement stores to gather ideas. Remember, a beautiful and functional kitchen is within reach. With careful planning, smart choices, and a touch of creativity, you can create a space you'll love for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any home decor tips. See you next time.